Dear children, the advent of Europeans to India is the first chapter in the social science for 10th class. Dutch, French, Portuguese and British came to India for trade purposes. 4 countries from Europe came to India for trade purposes. British East India Company was established in the year 1600 AD. French East India Company was established in the year 1664 AD. Dutch East India Company was established in the year 1602 AD. So, the Europeans came to India for trade purpose. In India, the spice products were very famous, and there was great demand for spice products in European market. Therefore, the British, Dutch, French and Portuguese came to India for trade purpose. British established their colonies in Bombay, Madras, Calcutta and Ahmedabad. French established their colonies in Chandranagar, Machilipattan, Nagapattan, Chandranagar, Pondicherry, Mahe and other places. Dutch established their trade centers at Karaikal, Kochi, Pulikkot, Satara, Surat and other places. Then Portuguese established their colonies at Goa, Diu, Daman, Salsette, Basin, Nagar Haveli, Bandra, Dadar and other places. What helped the Europeans to discover new sea route to India? Constantinople was captured by Ottoman Turks in the year 1453 AD. They closed the road for trade purpose. Therefore, there was need for new sea route to India. Secondly, mariner compass, astrolabe, gunpowder, naval equipments, etc. were discovered. They helped the voyagers to undertake the voyages smoothly and safely. Next, some kings and queens like Isabella, Ferdinand helped the voyagers with ships, money, food material, etc. to undertake the voyages. Then, some voyagers also showed interest. They came forward to undertake the voyages to discover new sea routes and new land routes. Bartholomew Dias, Christopher Columbus, Magellan, Amerigo Vespucci, Marco Polo, Vasco da Gama and others came forward to undertake voyages and they discovered new sea routes. Vasco da Gama came to Calicut in India. He discovered new sea route to India in the year 1498 AD. Columbus discovered West Indies and America in the year 1492 AD. Marco Polo visited India, China and gave big report about the wealth of India and other countries in Asia. Therefore, Britishers, Dutch, French, Portuguese undertook voyages and they established their trade centers in India. Then, 3 Carnatic wars were fought between French and British in India. First Carnatic War, Second Carnatic War and Third Carnatic Wars were fought between French and British in India. In the First Carnatic War, Dupleix defeated Robert Clive. Dupleix was the governor of French. Robert Clive was the governor of British. Robert Clive requested Nizam of Hyderabad to get back Madras. But Nizam of Hyderabad could not get back Madras to British. So British started war against the French. They attacked Pondicherry. But Dupleix, the French governor, defeated Robert Clive. And the first Carnatic War ended with the defeat of British. Therefore, 3 Carnatic Wars are very important in the making of British Empire in India. Now, let us look at the question and answer. The first question, what were the trade centers of Dutch in India? The trade centers of Dutch in India were Kochi, Karaikal, Pulikkot, Surat, Satara, etc. What were the trade centers of Dutch in India? The trade centers of Dutch in India were Kochi, Karaikal, Pulikkot, Surat, Satara, etc. Which were the French trade centers? The French trade centers in India were Chandranagar, Nagapatana, Machalipatana, Pondicherry, Mahe, etc. The French trade centers in India were Chandranagar, Nagapattan, Machalipattan, Pondicherry, etc. Which were the trade centers of Portuguese in India? The trade centers of Portuguese in India were Goa, Diu, Daman, Salsette, Basin, Nagar Haveli, Bandra, etc. The trade centers of Portuguese were Goa, Diu, Daman, Salsette, Basin, Nagar Haveli, Bandra, etc. What were the causes of discovery of new sea routes? Constantinople was captured and closed for trade by Ottoman Turks. Constantinople was captured and closed for trade by Ottoman Turks. Mariner compass was invented. Kings and queens helped the voyagers with ships and money. Kings and queens helped the voyagers with ships and money. Last point. Voyagers like Columbus, Magellan, Vasco da Gama, Marco Polo came forward to undertake the voyages. Voyagers like Columbus, Magellan, Vasco da Gama, Marco Polo came forward to undertake voyages. Fifth question, which were the scientific inventions that took place during discovery? Mariner compass, astrolabe, gunpowder, naval equipments were the scientific inventions that took place during the discovery of new sea routes. Mariner compass, astrolabe, gunpowder, naval equipments, etc. were the scientific inventions that took place during geographical discoveries. Children, last period I have given you 5 questions. During this period I have also given 5 questions. You take the question to notes. Make the notes, buy the answers. Learn the answers every day. Don't waste time because you are not having lot many days. You are having only few days. Within the few days, we have to cover the syllabus and we have to learn the syllabus. Therefore, we give the online coaching to you. You make the notes, then buy the answers every day. Saira.